Well, the counting of votes in the high-stakes Hyderabad civic poll has begun. Though the run-up to the poll saw a high-pitched campaign by the parties, the turnout of the voters on 1st of December was only 46.55%. Elaborate arrangements have been made for the counting. The counting process began at 8 a.m. Several counting centers have been set up at as many as 30 places. We're also picking up a few reactions on the counting day. Listen.
Well, we're confident, we're feeling good, and we're very hopeful, and all the exit polls also indicate the same thing, that TRS will emerge as the single largest party. We worked very hard, our Karyakartas, our leaders, they all worked very hard, not only during the polls, but in the last 5 years when we were in the power in GHMC. We've made sure every division, every gully, every issue is addressed. Most of them are addressed, and the rest is in progress. So we are very confident that we will win single-handedly.
But ma'am, when we see the exit poll, all the numbers show below 99. Like few exit polls do show that it's 101, 102, but few also show that it's below 99, because last time it was TRS which had got at 99 and MIM at 44. But this time it's below 99. So is this because of the BJP's high campaigning?
Well, I'm only trying to say that our part, our bit of serving the people, or making sure we reach out to people and tell them what we've done, was our style of campaigning. Yes, BJP walked in with a plethora of leaders from across the nation, trying to stir up a lot of emotions, maybe trying to get few votes out of that. But I believe Hyderabad will not vote in favor of them. But anyway, we just have few more hours to see. I could be wrong, you could be wrong, but I really do believe that people of Hyderabad are very emotionally intelligent, and they voted for TRS because TRS gives them a stable Hyderabad, very peaceful state we have given to them. So I believe people have voted for peace and development. So we've worked very hard to make sure we hit a century. So I'm just hoping and believing that we will hit 100. Any exit poll has not indicated BJP being the largest party. You can pick out any exit polls which has given the least number of seats to TRS. It still has said TRS will be the largest party. So obviously TRS will be the mayor. TRS will be the deputy mayor, and I believe we single-handedly will form the local body government here.
Ma'am, one question before I let you go. We saw a national agenda this time for the civic body polls. So a lot of topics which raised was about Rohingyas, illegal people being removed out of Hyderabad, and other issues as well. So what's your take?
Well, that is a classic BJP at play. That is how BJP diverts the attention of people from local issues, because Hyderabad, has seen a tremendous change and development in last few years, and TRS was campaigning about that. So BJP had to come in and divert the issue of the people from whatever good Hyderabad has done to issues that will never be solved. See, if there were Rohingyas in Hyderabad, then it is the fault of whom? Central government, right? That is when... Well, we're confident, we're feeling good, and we're very hopeful, and all the exit polls also indicate the same thing, that TRS will emerge as the single largest party. We worked very hard, our Karyakartas, our leaders, they all worked very hard, not only during the polls, but in the last 5 years when we were in the power in GHMC.